Gonna get this mold and dirt off of these for these people. Beautiful customers out in the villages. Gonna bring the sidewalk back really nice. That part is okay, but right here it's kind of bad. We're gonna bring it all back pretty nice. We're gonna lay some mulch down here. Gonna mulch this. Gonna lay the weed preventer down, the weed liner also. But all this gonna be beautiful once we come back to it and show you guys. We'll do that tree out there as well. In this little patch area, you have to also add this liner, this liner back in. Well, a new one for him. The plastic one fell out, but we'll have it done in a little bit and be back with you guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are finished with a T in it. Any footsteps on the sidewalk from me walking up here doing the video. Mulched out. Mulched different colors. Call it the rain. Wet and dry. Bro, that ain't gonna go nowhere. That's gonna...
Rather you get a shot before it was really crappy. With
yes,
all
I
the
did.
weeds and up to your knees, and you didn't see that. You saw it already lifted out clean.
And it's done.